Hey there everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to make a shortcut for WhatsApp contacts. It's a very simple thing to do and it's a very useful thing to do, so let's just get into it. Open up your WhatsApp and the first thing you want to do is find the contact that you want to create a shortcut for. Let's say is this person, and I just select it, just holding on to it, and then I click the three little lines on the top and select add chat shortcut. Once I create it, then I click add, and yeah, there you go. Jessica shortcut was created. Now if I minimize, I can see it's on here. I'm just gonna move it on this side. If I open it up, it goes directly into that chat. You see? And that's how you do it. It's a quick and easy way if you want to have several contacts and not enter WhatsApp and search for them. It's good if you have to call them while driving and you don't have to search your directory or whatever. And that's pretty much it. Hope this helped. If it did, leave a like and subscribe, and see you next time.